Hello, this is Lithuanian language lesson number 3. Let's review what we've learned in the previous lessons. Aš, mano, tu, tavo, I, my, you, your, pronoun pairs that are very important. Savo is a reflexive pronoun. We had sentences with it the previous lesson, and if you don't remember when it's used, look at the watch grammar video number 3 in my Lithuanian grammar playlist on this channel. Ar is a question word. It turns a simple sentence into a question. Taip, ne, yes, no. Kur, where. It means where. Čia yra mokykla. Aš einu į mokyklą. Čia yra mokykla, aš einu į mokyklą. Notice that the ending of mokykla changes because the nominative case, or the subject of the sentence, changes to the object of the sentence, the accusative case. So, aš einu į mokyklą, A changes to a nosne, a different letter, and notice another difference is that aš einu, tu eini, jis jie eina, the verb is being conjugated and it changes its ending according to the person you are talking about. Remember the conjugation. Some keywords: dabar, dabar, čia, čia. Okay. Now, in this lesson, we've got some expressions with the word home or house. The word house is namas, namas. Čia yra mano namas, čia yra mano namas. If you want to say houses, the plural of house, houses, you say namai, namai, namai. And according to the context, it can also mean home. It can also mean home. So, kur tavo namai, kur tavo namai means where is your home. It doesn't mean where are your houses, because we understand it from the context. So, home is just like houses, the plural of the word house. Kur tavo namai. Okay. Now, this noun, namas, and its plural, namai, like all nouns in Lithuanian, have 7 cases. Overall, you've got 7 cases in singular and 7 cases in plural. You've got 14 different endings because the endings change according to what case is it. And even if you conjugate this one noun fully, you won't get these 2 forms. You get the genitive of the word namas is namo. But this is not namo, it's namo, namo. What are these 2 words? These 2 words are often used in Lithuanian. So, what are they? Actually, they are adverbs. In modern Lithuanian, they are considered to be adverbs because they show, one shows the direction to home and the other shows the place at home. So they are adverbs. However, these 2 words are extinct cases, extinct forms of this noun. So, although they are all nouns had some cases, all nouns had 4 locative cases in all Lithuanian. There were 4 locative cases, and now there is only 1 locative case, and another one is still used in dialects or in fixed expressions, and the other 2 are used only in fixed expressions. So there are these two extinct cases which are still alive in these fixed expressions. So we've got these are the old forms of this noun. You've got, I think these forms are very old, hundreds of years old, but anyway, these are now considered adverbs. So they're just like unique words nowadays because no other, because 99% of nouns don't have these cases anymore because these 2 cases are extinct. So let's look what these words mean. Namo, the stress is on or namo. Einu namo, namo. Einu namo means I'm going home. Namo shows the direction. It says to home. So you don't need any preposition in front of this noun because the the noun already shows that you're talking about direction to home. Namia, namia, namia means at home. So uh, the second time you still don't need any preposition in front of this word because this word already shows that something is going inside home. That's something inside the noun. So namie means at home. Aš dabar namie. Aš dabar namie. I'm now at home. So have in mind that these expressions, these words, adverbs exist. Now we'll see some sentences with these expressions and with the verb važiuoti, važiuoja, važiavo. It means to go, but not on foot, by bicycle, or by car, or by train, but not on foot. Okay, because to go on foot is eiti. Okay. Mano namai yra čia. Mano namai yra čia. It's also namai. It can mean my houses are here, but in this case we understand that my home is here, not houses. Važiuoju namo. Važiuoju namo. I'm going home. Simas važiuoja namo. Simas važiuoja namo. Ar tu važiuoji namo? Ar tu važiuoji namo? Aš neinu, bet važiuoju namo. Aš neeinu, bet važiuoju namo. I'm not going on foot, but I'm going by car or by bike or by some other mean of transport. Aš neeinu, bet važiuoju namo. Ar tu dabar namie? Ar tu dabar namie? Ar Darius namie? Ar Darius namie? Noriu namo. Noriu namo. We dismiss this part of the sentence to go to. Noriu eiti namo. But we miss this word and everything is finally understood. Noriu namo. Noriu namo. Children often use this phrase. Noriu namo. I want to go home, daddy. Okay. Next lesson, we'll have a revision. You'll have to make simple sentences according to I'll give you some sentences and you'll have to translate them to Lithuanian. And make sure you have watched the Lithuanian grammar practice videos because the verbs that are conjugated in these videos will help you to make your own sentences. So thank you for watching.